Welcome back, everybody. Seeing a thinning crown or bald spot in the mirror every morning is definitely not something people are happy to see.
But men and women in Tampa Bay may soon have help. 10 News reporter Laura Byrne brings us new technology that is showing some promise.
This is Ron Doria before he got started with hair replacement surgery back in 2004. And this is him after 4 procedures using the strit method, when hair follicles are quite literally stripped from the scalp and stitched in where they're wanted.
The first 4 were a little bit brutal.
But he wanted more and something less invasive. That's when he came across Neograft.
Before there was stitches and bandages and you were left with a scar usually from ear to ear. None of that anymore.
Technicians at the Basin Center used Neograft to essentially core out individual hair follicles using suction, and then with reverse air pressure place the follicles in areas where Doria wanted a bit more growth. And this is him today.
I'm in my 40s and have a head of hair like I did when I was 18, so I'm in a good spot.
Kyle Mastronardo would like the same full head of hair.
For some time now, I've noticed the thinning of my hair.
Undergoing the procedure that's giving patients like him an alternative to the strit method. Dr. Rigo Mendoza with the Basin Center tells us the results are better than traditional hair restoration methods.
And we get almost 100% take with the Neograft compared to the old method, and there's no scars, there's no donor sites, no scalpels, no cutting.
As you can see, the procedure is minimally invasive and will require a little recovery time. So for Kyle, it's worth it.
I'm looking forward to seeing new hair growth in places that I'm not growing hair. So it's an exciting time.
Laura Byrne, 10 News.
Now, this is not a procedure, though, where you'll see results overnight. It does take about 4 to 6 months for the hair follicles to grow back in. And cost, of course, is a big part of this. About $5 to $7 per follicle, but when we're talking about hundreds of follicles for some people, that can add up and get pretty expensive.